Hey everyone, welcome to Fable Pixels. This is Pixel Tease, a new series where I take a quick look at retro PC components and relive the spirit of the 2000s. Short, fun, and mysterious, just enough to make you curious. I plan to keep Fable Pixels running for years, creating bigger videos that can take weeks or even months to make. But I also want to bring you quick, fun clips like this, simple, enjoyable, and a way for you to share your thoughts. In each Pixel Tease, I'll mention the number of likes needed for this component to get a full video, whether it's a detailed review, test, or part of a retro build. Your likes will help decide what content appears next on the channel. If you enjoyed this, leave a like and subscribe to follow the projects and not miss new Pixel Tease episodes.